Letting go of diets and plans is such a beautiful first step in reclaiming balance with the way that you nourish yourself, and also creating a positive food experience and deeply caring for your well being. But in order to find and maintain a more balanced approach to your eating habits, you not only have to let go of the diets, but you also have to reframe the way that you think about food. Now, these key shifts with how you think about nutrition and nourishing yourself will help prevent you from feeling pulled back into those diets, and it allow you to replace those old habits with new supportive and sustainable habits. The very first shift that needs to happen is changing the focus on short-term results and leaning into long-term change. When you go into a diet, in most cases it's because you're seeking to achieve a very specific result in a very specific amount of time. However, when you're ready to let go of diets and that short-term mentality, you also have to let go about thinking of that achievement in a certain time or a specific result. Your goals need to be really about forming sustainable habits for you on a daily basis that can last for life. When you're able to look at nutrition information and advice through this lens and ask yourself, will this support my body, my unique lifestyle, and the vision that I have for myself for the long term, you'll be much more able to go down an intentional, healthy, and long-lasting path where you feel empowered and you feel confident with that inner knowing that you're taking the right actions for you. This aligns so well with the second shift that needs to happen, and that is from shifting from striving to be perfect with your eating habits to allowing for more flexibility and flow and focusing on practicing a habit. When you're on a diet, it provides you with all of these rules that you have to follow, and say that you've been following them perfectly in order to see those results that you're looking for, and it's still not enough. And this mindset around eating perfectly actually makes it more difficult for you to simply just eat well, because it often puts you in this all or nothing mindset where either you're all in, super focused, eating really well, or you're all out where you believe that you're not perfect and what's the point, I'm gonna restart tomorrow or another day. Now, this all or nothing mentality can be so draining on your physical, your mental, emotional well-being. It can also seem really counterintuitive, but the best way to create more consistency with the way that you nourish yourself is to have more flexibility to enjoy those foods you like in a really mindful way rather than being super restrictive. Now, when you have this flexibility and this flow, food that once made you feel really out of control no longer holds that power over you. It's flexibility, not control or rigidness, that really invites in so much more ease and enjoyment around your food choices. The next shift that needs to happen is releasing the food rules that you may be holding on to from those diets. Like you can't eat sugar or carbs, or you can only eat a certain amount or at a certain time. You need to count your calories or anything along those rules. And instead, you need to learn how to listen and trust your own body to guide you. All of the food rules that you've been following, or those labels with like good and bad foods, all focus on the short-term results versus long-term well-being and all of those mindsets around your food and your eating behaviors that really serve you well. Even when you've decided not to diet anymore, trust me, those old beliefs and habits are more often than not just lingering in the back of your mind. And it can pull you in towards that all-in, all-out mentality and those old habits rather than finding that middle balanced space. You'll likely notice that you have these old habits that are guiding your eating behaviors and preventing you from having that trust and confidence in your own body to guide what's best for you. It becomes so much easier for you to make food choices that support you because you're confident in why something does or does not work for you, rather than feeling like you need to follow a specific food rule list because a diet, a plan, or an influencer told you that it works. This is where you experience such a deep sense of peace and joy around food. You're no longer hopping from diet to diet, trend to trend, trying to find something that you can stick with, and that's this some ideal version of health that you had in mind. Instead, you have a deep inner knowing of what you need to do for yourself so that you don't get distracted by these short-term fixes or overwhelmed by keeping up with the latest trends. This deep understanding and confidence and trust of what works for you keeps you focused on that long-term goal and making changes that are really going to support you for life. These three reframes around how you think about food and the role nutrition plays in your life are so key to create a long-lasting, supportive, and balanced way of nourishing yourself. If you're ready to let go of diets, you also have to focus on integrating new practices into your life that support you with nourishing yourself well and also finding that beautiful balance. And that's exactly what I covered during my free workshop. So sign up if you're ready to really explore for you what that looks like. In this free workshop, I share the 3 important pillars to focus on in order to reclaim balance with the way that you nourish yourself well. You'll walk away knowing these 3 pillars, why they're so important if you want to have balance with your eating habits, so that you feel empowered, you have that flexibility and that knowledge for having more peace and ease with food in your life. I cannot wait to share this with you, so click the link around this video to sign up.